We are making a chocolate nut butter. Okay, so I love Nutella. A lot of kids love Nutella. They want Nutella sandwiches, and now schools are actually banning any chocolate and stuff in the kids' lunchboxes. So I thought I'd come up with a healthy version of a nut butter, chocolate nut butter. So we got dates. Oh, I know who likes the dates. We got dates. It's so easy, this recipe. Dates and water. Oh, yes, you can. Do you want to put the chocolate cacao powder in?
Can I put it?
Yep, chocolate cacao powder. Tip, top.
The rest in.
You want to put the rest in? You want to put this one in? This is the nut butter. Now, I'm using, this one's like a cashew Brazil butter. I wouldn't use peanut butter for this. If you can make your own hazelnut butter, that would be ideal. But anything like cashew or a butter like Brazil nut butter, that's it. And then you just blend it until it's smooth. If you want it... Okay, let's just blend it and then I'll talk about it later. So I've blended that until it's a bit smooth. It might be a little bit gritty, but if you want it to be super smooth, you can actually allow the dates to sit in water for maybe an hour or two, just soaking them. So this is your chocolate deliciousness nut butter. Kids love dipping apple in this. So, and all it is dates and just nut butter, really. Would you like to try some? Okay, here's some for you. Yeah, here you go. Try it and tell me what you think. Tell us what you think. This is it.
Yum.
Is it good? Yummy? Do you want to lick some more? If you want some more delicious, easy recipes, healthy recipes for your family, you can go at mumsattetable.com or Mums at the Table on Facebook, on social media. You'll find us there. Enjoy. Tell us what you think, what you've tried different, so that we can hear about it. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Say bye.